Hello friends, I welcome all you to Code Generator. Myself Apurva. I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'm going to teach you about difference between Python and Java. Before going to the difference, let me give a brief introduction about Python and Java. Now Python. Python is high-level interrupted programming language. It was invented back in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. Python is an object-oriented programming language that has large enormous library support, making the implementation of various programs and algorithms easy. Its language constructs an object-oriented approach aims to help the programmers to write clear, logical code for the various projects. Java is an high-level object-oriented programming language which was originally developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in 1995. Java has syntax similar to C and C++ but with low-level difficulties. Java is platform independent, that is ORA. Write once, run anywhere, meaning compiled Java code can run on different platforms without recompilation. Now, let's go to the difference. Python is interrupted language, whereas Java is compiled language. Java is compiled at JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. Now, Python has less lines of code, whereas Java has longer lines of code. Longer lines means Java includes class, members and everything, whereas Python doesn't. Python programs runs faster than Java, where Java program runs slowly compared to Python. Python is dynamically typed, whereas Java is statically typed. Next, Python has lower number of frameworks. Popular ones are Django and Flask, whereas Java has large number of frameworks. Popular ones are Spring, Hibernate, etc. Python uses indentation to separate code into code blocks, whereas Java uses curly braces to define the beginning and end of each function and class definition. You all have executed the code, I guess so. Python syntax is easy to remember and it's almost similar to human language. You all may write the code in our own language, so human beings can easily understand the Python code. We can add our own language, whereas Java syntax has complex and it throws error if any miss semicolon or curly braces. If you have executed the Java code, you may have get errors if you have missed any semicolon or curly braces. So, Python has multiple inheritance partially done through interfaces, whereas Java offers both single and multiple inheritances. Next, Python programs need an interpreter installed on the target machine to translate Python code. Compared to Java, Python is less portable. Java is any computer or mobile device which is able to run the Java virtual machine can run the Java application, and Java is more portable compared to Python. Now, Python offers weak connectivity for the database support, whereas Java offers stable connectivity for the database support. Java takes 10 lines of code to read from the file in the Java, whereas Java has low weak connectivity, so it's not possible. Machine level libraries are TensorFlow or Python, whereas Java machine learning libraries are Veka, Mallet, Deep Learning, MOO. So, the conclusion for this is, we can conclude both Java and Python language have their own benefits. It is really up to you to opt particular language for any projects. And by conclusion, I end this video. I hope you all like this video. Please like and support and share for our channel. If you have any comments, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Thank you so much.